how does leveraging AI in engineering processes translate into tangible business value or competitive, advantage in terms of improved quality or cost savings? So any numbers, any statistics that you have in mind, stories from your own experiences, I'd love to hear those.
Yeah, I think to be honest, it's a great question because a lot of times there are a lot of unknowns, right? And the way I look at it is more than in AI in SDLC, it's about the engineering excellence. What are the levers that we can lock by infusing AI in the overall ecosystem, right? I'll keep it very simple. The three things, right? One is it should be evolution from tools to strategy. It shouldn't really be about, oh, I got product A or platform A, I want to infuse A, B, C, D. But how are you actually looking to evolve your set of productivity tools in an integrated business acceleration platforms, right? Number one. Number two is strategic transformations. So right now, today, if you look at it, the infusion of some of these tools are already generating like 30 to 40% faster time to market. In fact, around 20 to 22% in reduction in the development cost, or freeing up capacity for the team to actually take on more volume of work. The third one is look at the competitive advantage. If you can actually infuse AI, which will within the entire SDLC, you are able to release faster. You are able to capture market opportunities faster. So that is like the biggest advantage that I see in terms of being strategic imperative by getting AI in the SDLC. Obviously, you'll have different set of examples. Like for example, your release times. Your release times actually have come down to like 0 because you're able to now do tests much faster. You are able to infuse or check on security related aspects of it, your performance related testing or things like that in a very, very different way by bringing in AI. So the quality improvements, the faster product delivery are all like a subset of transformations which are happening. But the key is very, very simple: evolution from tools to strategy, your strategic transformation, and the competitive advantage by kind of deploying or releasing faster into the market.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, you summarized it the perfect way, I guess. It's kind of like moving from tools to strategy. Everything kind of circles back to strategic imperatives now. So it's no longer about the tools; it's about the way you use those tools, the way you kind of envision the overarching strategy that kind of takes the front seat now.